My name's Eric Feinberg, and I'm here at Naval Square, one of the greatest gated communities in all of Philadelphia. And I'm about to show you a unit we're about to put on the market, 307 Captain's Way. Before I take you through, I'm going to show you Naval Square, the gated community, the 20-acre community with pool and gym and parking. And then I'm going to show you Graduate Hospital, an amazing neighborhood that surrounds the gated community. So, before we take a look again into the unit, let's take a walk. Naval Square is a gated community that at one time served as the United States' first Naval Academy in 1834. So much history in Philadelphia. Now, this former Naval Academy is the #1 gated community in Philadelphia. Spanning over 20 acres, a 24-hour manned guardhouse, beautiful green spaces, amazing pool, fitness center, guest parking. The list of premium features is endless. Naval Square is like a utopia, but now let's check out the surrounding neighborhood of Graduate Hospital. Stop into Rival Brothers Coffee for a frozen treat. Want to burn off some of that caffeine buzz? The Schuylkill River Trail is the place to do it. And it's only a few minutes from your front door. Head to South Street and check out Sabrina's Cafe. Or grab some fresh ingredients for dinner at your choice of South Square Market or Giant Heirloom Market. Heading out of town? 30th Street Station is your fastest and most convenient way to get where you need to go, and it's only 10 minutes from Naval Square. Not to mention being this close to some of the best hospitals in the country. CHOP and Penn Hospital are just across the river, as well as having 2 beautiful college campuses right in your backyard. Now that you've seen what this neighborhood has to offer, wait until you see this amazing unit. As you enter your living area, you're immediately struck by the 23-foot wide width of this property. It's one of the best unit layouts at Naval Square, especially for that reason. The living area is huge. There's a separate space for your dining room table as well in this initial space, and it flows beautifully into your dining area. This dining area in this unit is unique in that the owners have installed additional built-ins, has a wine fridge, and lots of additional storage. The kitchen also has beautiful countertops, gas stovetop, stainless steel appliances, island eating, and room for another dining area and table. Off the kitchen area is a fantastic rear balcony and a storage closet with your HVAC system. The owners recently replaced both of the HVAC systems, almost a $20,000 value. Last but not least on this floor is your convenient half bath. As you move up to the next floor, the first bedroom you hit is your master, complete with vaulted ceilings, brand new chandelier, it's beautifully staged, has a walk-in closet with custom built-ins. Also in this bedroom is an ensuite with jacuzzi tub, stall shower, double vanity with a beautiful countertop. It's an amazing master suite. Next on this floor are your 2 guest bedrooms and your 1 guest bathroom. You'll immediately notice the brand new carpets that were installed just a week ago of this video being produced. Both guest bedrooms have a ton of closet space. One even has a walk-in closet. And your guest bathroom has an updated vanity top and a shower tub combo, perfect for baths. Conveniently off the first floor is your 1-car private garage that is accessible from inside the unit. This again is our favorite floor plan in Naval Square. Perfect sized bedrooms, tons of storage space. This unit in particular is very well updated. It's a fantastic place to live in Naval Square.